Welcome, in front of me I have OPPO Watch X2 Mini and I'm gonna show you how to install applications on this watch. If you want to install applications on this watch, you'll need to do a couple of things. First, your watch needs to be paired with a phone. Other thing you need to do is to connect your watch to the internet, to a Wi-Fi network, for example. And one more thing you need to do is to copy a Google account from your phone to your watch, so you can use the Google Play services on your watch. To connect your watch to the internet, you need to open the settings, tap on Wi-Fi, for example, and then tap on Add Network. Wait until the list of networks appears, find the network you want to connect to, tap on it, and then enter the password. Once you enter the password, it will appear right here under the Wi-Fi button and it will say connected. And to copy Google account to your watch, you need to open the settings, find the option called I believe it's going to be in order, and then Google, and here, then tap on accounts, and as you can see I already have an account, but if you don't have any account right here, tap on add Google account, and that's why your watch needs to be paired with a phone, because now you need to tap on this icon, and on the phone that is paired with your watch you should see the pop-up, and basically it will allow you to copy Google account to your watch from your phone. So you need to select the account, enter the password, and copy the account. And once you're done with that, you will have the internet connection, Google account. You should be able to use Google Play Store on your watch. So now we can open the menu, find the Play Store icon and tap on it. And this is the main page of Play Store. And now you can look for the app you want to install by simply browsing the categories right here on the home page. Or you can tap on search, select the keyboard for example, and type in something like, I don't know, maybe calculator. And then tap on search, and you should see some applications that fit that description. And as you can see, we have this install button. No, I missed it, but basically you can tap on install button right here, or you can tap on the app itself to see more detail like screenshots, I believe reviews and stuff like that, so you can check it before you decide to install the application. And once you decide to install the application, you can tap on install and wait until the process is complete. And after the application is done installing, instead of install button you will see open and also uninstall. And if you go back to the home screen and then open the menu, the icon will appear in the menu and you can tap on it to open the application you installed. And basically that's how you install the application or applications on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.